problems. I solve them. I run through the money. Depression, we call it. My blessings, I feel like the calling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm coming. I'm going through something that's really calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection.
Living a golden experience. My life too lit, it's delirious.
Today's gonna be a freaking good day. And I don't even have to say why. You guys read the title. It is 10 in the morning and we're gonna go install a TOMEI. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna make this intro really short. If you guys are new, be sure to smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know down below what your favorite exhaust setup is. I probably asked this before, but if you wanna go ahead and share, comment down below. With that said, actually, who do you guys think is gonna be going installing the TOMEI?
Young gang star flip the kill switch. Jojo, pose. Jojo.
And this is why you don't get a harness. You know, I gotta take all this off, put the e-brake up, and then get out of the car to be able to put the code in. Ah! We got it. Go.
Sure you're not an enemy stand user.
Access granted. Oh, it's closing on me. What the f? Yo, what the hell? Yo, what's closing on me? Alright, so if you saw the white 2016 NISMO, you guessed it. Our boy Victor's going with the TOMEI. He did tell us last video he was gonna go with it though, so there's the baby dude. How do you feel, bro? How do you feel about going with the TOMEI now?
I'm excited, man. I hope it sounds good.
It's gonna sound good, yeah. So you're gonna get the white pipe next, and then
yeah, I'm just go with the wide pipe and then just like some iron hard test pipes.
here it is, boys. We got another TOMEI install. Oh man, I'm hyped. I love installing TOMEIs. Or just exhaust. It's like the funnest and best thing to install. Dude, who needs a kid when you got a TOMEI, my guy? Actually, no, I can't even shut it up because it's gonna be loud. Here it is. We got the gaskets. We got the TOMEI except for the white pipe. Let's go ahead, get some tools that I brought just in case. Get a snack.
Right there.
Purple, like right there.
Huh?
It looks so purple. That's how you know the previous owner was shooting massive flames.
Yeah, he was.
Look, mine isn't even.
You know who Ethan is, right?
Yeah. The previous owner that owned this TOMEI was like known for shooting massive flames, and that's how you can tell. Yeah, that's crazy. We ran into a problem we didn't know, and just for those of you that have a 2016 or just a newer NISMO, check this out. So you guys have a true dual white pipe that goes into an H pipe. So here's the thing. TOMEI goes into a singular flange, or however you want to say it, and this goes into two. So the difference between the NISMO and the base model is the base model only goes into one exit, so it's not a true dual exit. NISMO has two holes, TOMEI has one hole. So you need a white pipe if you want to put it on the NISMO. Or just a base model white pipe, that's what we're trying to find right now.
Any luck? No, he hasn't responded back yet.
Rip. So now we wait. Oh, and it started raining even harder. Dude, today's not our day. In the beginning of this video, I said, today's gonna be a freaking good day. And it's raining and we need a white pipe. That's weird. I had no idea that NISMO's, like I didn't know it was a true H pipe, white pipe, whatever, but I didn't know it had two. Well, it makes sense. I don't know. All right, obviously today there was some resistance. We might have to do it tomorrow, but if we do end up doing it tomorrow, he might get a surprise. I don't know. We might be looking at a full TOMEI exhaust. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this video up when we got everything ready. I ain't gotta get naked for God, what am I doing, dude? Yeah, we're back. Okay, so update. Actually, I'm just gonna update you guys when you're here. Now we gotta move the car because as you guys say, he's gonna come over here. I'm speaking really fast because we gotta hurry. So, oh, that's pretty quick.
Living a golden experience. My life too lit, it's delirious. I keep that star on my back. Look at my face, can't fear shit. Built to the top like a pyramid. My lineage lit and it's serious. Bring the beat life like Jordan.
Alright, you stay there. Also, when your neighbors move off because your car's too loud. True story, but half of it is true. So he got the stock white pipe, so we're gonna do a NISMO white pipe into a base white pipe conversion. And this is a single exit, which good for the TOMEI. And we're just gonna use the bolts that the car already comes with.
Pretty much.
So we're good. This time it shouldn't be a fail. It's getting dark, so we gotta hurry up, so I'm not gonna film that much. Back up.
Keep going. A little bit more. Right there.
It's so weird driving a manual. I'm in automatic.
Ooh, yeah, it's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh my god. Also, since he's on stock height, he has the privilege to be able to use ramps. We're gonna use ramps. We're not gonna jack the car up. There's no time for that. We gotta Gotta hurry. Oh, the car's hot, so we're gonna wait like a couple minutes. Yo, spray the white pipe.
Huh?
Spray the white pipe. We do not want the bolts to be seized. Another thing I really want to see is how it sounds, because I've never heard a Tomei without test pipes, or just completely stock exhaust and just Tomei without the white pipe or anything. That's not the problem.
Oh, I didn't put WD-40 on those.
What? Those are the most important ones. No! Here. We got 2 left on the white pipe. And then we still gotta take out the H pipe, right? Because if we don't do that, we gotta drop the cross, remember? Subframe thingy?
Well,
because we can't slide it out.
if we take the Wi-Fi.
Thank God they're not like super horrible. Because Jose's, we had to literally use a saw.
Oh, yeah.
You just gotta lift it up a little bit because the bolt in the middle, the 2 that are in the middle are just hard to get to.
Okay, now we're gonna do the cats.
The test pipes. Dude, if you want to do test pipes, bro, I'm gonna be busy that day. Let me just tell you that. I'm never doing that again, dude.
No, that's why I'm gonna pay my technician to do it.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that.
I think they're 12. 3
Where's
out of
it?
4 done. It's like the cross thing. Alright, I think we're just gonna drop the whole exhaust, so we gotta drop this.
And these 2 right here?
Yeah, so it's those 2, and then there's like a bunch on this side and in the middle. Because it goes all the way there. It's those things with holes. It's a big metal thing with holes. I'm in like the tightest spot, right? I can't even move. But yeah, we're gonna take this thing off because we tried taking off the H one. We kind of stripped the bolt. We don't want to risk it. It's 9 p.m. So we're gonna take it out, bro. You know, we're having a lot of fun, but there's somebody that's like really mad at me right now. And that's her. You're always mean when people come over. You gotta control yourself. I know, it's okay. You gotta stay in here, okay? I love you. I love you. I love you. I'll be back, okay? We gotta hear it to me. Dude, that was a smooth exhaust uninstall. Or remove. Somebody got the car. I don't know why it's not rolling. Okay, so here's the big problem. The NISMO Y pipe has 2 exits. The base one has 1 exit, so the Tomei doesn't fit on this one, so we gotta put on the. It's basically the same thing. It's just there's a true H.
Yeah. If anyone wants an H pipe, just send
Oh
me up.
shoot! You're gonna sell the whole thing, or
I saw the whole Nismo.
All right. You guys heard him.
Just
All right, we're gonna start it up. Just straight test pipes. It's 10 p.m. so my neighbors might hate me.
what happened? It's not turning on. Why?
It's not turning
Press the
on.
brake. You have to press the brake all the way in. Now, press on.
Wait, what?
It's just stuck on.
Huh?
It's stuck on.
Wait, your steering wheel, move it. And we're gonna get right back to you when the car turns on. Oh, do not rev. Whatever you do, don't rev. Okay, that was weird. It got stuck on. We just disconnected the battery. Now the car's fine. Nissan, bro, fix your cars. I just realized this camera's horrible at night. Good news is, we just got the new Y pipe. You know what I just realized? You're putting a base model thing in your Nismo, bro.
Right? Who does that?
Dang.
Only we do.
Dude, we're 80% there. How you feel? Are you excited to hear the first Tomei startup?
For sure, brother. And then Thursday we put on the test pipes.
What?
Well, not here.
Okay.
And it looks so good. So empty, doesn't it?
It looks so empty. I forgot how empty this looks.
It's because it's the Nismo bumper. That's why.
Yeah.
It's like.
Tomei's empty. Sounds good though. Like it's not
Okay.
overly loud. Okay, still got stock Wi-Fi and stock cats.
But when I take the cats at least off, it'll sound.
No, I like it though. I like it. You can rev it a little bit. I like it. Alright. I thought the Tomei hit for a second. Is that stock?
It's not filled. We put a MBRP cap back.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, my neighbors hate me. Oh, it's so sick how it has that. Dang, that is pretty cool. Alright. So I want to hear Raul's car because he has Z1 headers, ISR, and stock white bug. But he has what headers, so let's see. Another Z. Dude, there's just Z's everywhere today, huh? Oh, and he's tuned by Admintuning. Oh my god. Dude, that thing's loud. That's good, that's good. Oh my god. What? People definitely think there's gunshots in the neighborhood. 100%. It has a nice tone to it, right? Like, it's not super loud, but I like it. You're on the flame map though, right? Alright, we're gonna get some flames for the vlog. Bro. Hold on, dude. Hold up, bro. What? I wish you could hear how much this is echoing. Yo, I have goosebumps right now, my guy. Oh my god. Alright. That we're gonna get out. Dude, that's crazy. Yo, I literally got goosebumps because of how loud that was.
How big were the flames?
They were decently big. You can still hear him, dude. I still got good. That was insane. Either way, though, Tomei saw as a success because whenever a buddy of mine needs help, we're gonna have a good time. It is hot today. I can't even open up my eyes. And I think my mic may be broken. Wait, though, I just want to hop on here and say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It was super awesome. We saw the exhaust, big flames, everything awesome. Leave a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy, which I'm pretty sure you guys did. Like, just smash that like. You're already watching until the very end or throughout the video. Smash that like, subscribe if you're new. We're trying to reach 100K by the end of the year. And with that said, Brittany's fine. I don't know why I said that, but there's Brittany. She didn't get a lot of attention in this video, huh? Peace out, and as always, hasta luego.